Oh, great. Was it not running? I have 5 emperors. I thought it was running and it wasn't. Just great. Now I have to get something good because I thought it was running. All right, 5 extra games. Then I got 9s and jacks. I got 450 and 5 extra games. So it's 9s and jack, a couple of jacks. Maybe something. Come on, dragons, roar for me. Come on, dragon, roar, roar, roar. Roar, come on, dragon. Oh, come on. Ooh. Where was the dragons with that? Oh, come on, dragons. Ooh, ladies. Oh. Come on, dragons, be out there. Roar, come on. Oh. Come on, dragons. Whoops. I guess I touched it too much. Well, 10s is better than a kick in the pants. I got something. Not bad. $46.50 on 50 cents. Awesome. Seven, 8. Oh, it doesn't go to 75 cents. I thought it would go to 75 cents. It's just 50 cents for $1, huh? Well, I'll do a few spins on $1, I guess. I don't usually like to, but I'll try it. Well, does $1.25? Uh-huh. And 5. I think I'll stick with 50 cents. Fine, you get another one. I think I'll stay with 50 cents. Money don't go so fast, and I can have a better chance of getting something. Ooh, but you weren't with anything. Oh well. Come on. Oh, on 50 cents, I got 5 of them first. It don't look like I'm going to get anything. I put in the whole 45 it gave me. Then I didn't get anything. spins. There's one. Oops. There's two. Three. Oh, well, that's all. Nope, it's not going to give me a hit on it. There's no reason to play it. Too much. Yeah. Last spin. Okay, I tried.